After nearly 2 decades of talks, India and the European Union are set to sign a historic free trade agreement on January 27. Leaders on both sides are calling it the mother of all deals, and for good reason. This is because the agreement is expected to significantly reshape economic ties between two of the world's largest markets, opening new opportunities for businesses, workers, and consumers while strengthening strategic cooperation. Notably, trade discussions between India and the EU first began in 2007 under the Broad-Based Trade and Investment Agreement, but progress stalled in 2013 due to differences over tariffs, market access, labor standards, and intellectual property rights. After nearly a decade-long pause, talks were revived in 2022 with renewed political will, and by February 2025, both sides agreed to fast-track negotiations amid global trade uncertainty. Currently, the EU is India's largest trading partner for goods, with India exporting $75.85 billion worth of goods to the bloc in 2024-25, while imports stood at $60.68 billion. So what's in it for India? Well, for India, the deal is expected to boost exports, especially in labor-intensive sectors such as textiles, garments, leather, and marine products through lower or zero tariffs. High-value sectors like pharmaceuticals and chemicals could also benefit from smoother regulatory approvals and easier market access. Importantly, India has managed to protect sensitive areas such as agriculture and dairy while discussions continue on a possible exemption from the EU's carbon tax mechanism. Whereas, on the other hand, for the EU, the agreement opens doors to one of the world's fastest-growing markets. European wines, spirits, premium cars, machinery, electronics, and services are likely to gain from reduced tariffs and clearer trade rules. Therefore, if finalized as planned, the India-EU Free Trade Agreement could redefine global trade partnerships and mark a new chapter in economic cooperation. For more updates on the same, stay tuned with India TV.